What's wrong?
We're being followed. The men who attacked you at this hotel must have been staking the place out in case you showed up again.
What do we do?
Someone's got enough money for an endless supply of assholes. I need to find out who. Come on.
I'll deal with these guys and meet you at the hotel!
Drive.
Left pocket.
Get it then.
Unless you want to shoot me here in front of all these people and risk getting arrested the same day you get the information you've been after, you get it. Answer my questions or I'll take your other hand. Oh, shit.
Down here on the platform! Hands up! Show me your hands. On the move! Back up on the Tascamora southbound platform. Get guys on the exits now!
A little help?
You didn't come this way.
I'll hit east, you go west.
Thanks. You know how to get to the Liberty Gardens Hotel through these tunnels?